Hi, this series features embarrassing money moments. Today's topic is responding to your friends when you can't afford to join their expensive plans. Ever felt like your wallet's holding you back from a night out with friends? Let's fix that. We've all been there. Let's dive into how you can navigate social scenes without breaking the bank. Picture this. Your friends are planning a night out at that overpriced rooftop bar where the drinks cost more than your weekly groceries, and you're just trying to figure out how to stretch your last few bucks until payday. Do you ghost them and pretend you never saw the message? Or say, I'll think about it and pray they forget? Or own it like a legend and make being broke look like a lifestyle choice? If you picked the last one, congrats. You just unlocked the power of magnetic confidence. Now, let's see how to make being broke look effortlessly cool and see some examples. 1. Flip the script. Be the planner. Instead of waiting for invites to events you can't afford, take charge. You can say,
Hey, instead of dropping $50 on cocktails, let's have a DIY cocktail night at my place. You bring the booze, I'll provide the terrible dance moves.
if your friend responds with,
Wait, that actually sounds fun. Do we get to judge your bartending skills?
you can answer,
Absolutely. And the worst drink gets named after me.
boom. Now you're the social genius who makes things fun and affordable. 2. The power of I'm just not feeling that. No need to announce your financial situation like a sad violin soundtrack. Instead of saying,
I can't afford that.
say,
We're going to that fancy rooftop bar. You in?
I'm not really feeling a $20 cocktail vibe tonight. Let's hit up that food truck and sit by the river instead.
Oh, actually, that sounds nice.
now you're the one setting the mood, not your bank account. 3. Be the go-to budget guru. Instead of feeling awkward, make it a game.
Ugh, why is everything so expensive lately?
Exactly. Which is why I challenge you to a broke night out. Best night for under $15 wins eternal glory.
Challenge accepted. What's the plan?
Now you're the financial mastermind who's out here hacking life. 4. Own it with style. If the topic of money does come up, handle it with a wink.
Why don't you ever come out for brunch with us?
Oh, I'd love to, but my financial advisor, aka my bank account, says no.
LOL, that was funny. Fair enough. Let's grab coffee instead.
People respect honesty with a dash of humor. It makes you relatable, not pitiful. 5. Quality over quantity, always. If your friends judge you for skipping out on a fancy event, that's not a you problem. That's a them problem.
I mean, it's just $50. Can't you just make it work?
If I wanted to stress about money all night, I'd just stay home and stare at my bank app.
Damn. Okay, point taken. Let's find something less ridiculous.
Real friends don't care about where you hang out. They care about hanging out with you. Now, before we move on to the worst case scenarios and how to play them, we've got a whole series on awkward money moments. Find out how to deal with a gambling partner or how to actually ask for financial help without feeling humiliated. And hey, subscribe now so you don't miss the next story. Okay, now let's move on. Worst case scenario playbook. Let's say our friend won't take no for an answer. You can say,
Look, I'd rather not spend that much right now. If you ever want to just chill and do something low-key, I'm in.
you're setting a boundary while still keeping the door open. They guilt trip you?
Come on, just this once. You never come out anymore.
If I say yes now, I'll have to say no to rent later, and I don't want to live in my car just yet.
A little humor can shut guilt tripping down. Do they make it awkward?
Man, that sucks. I didn't realize things were so bad.
They're not. I'm just making smarter choices. Want to join me in my financially responsible era?
You keep control of the narrative. Now let's see what not to do, aka how to actually make it awkward. First, apologizing for being broke. Saying, sorry, I can't afford it, makes it sound like you did something wrong. You didn't. You're just prioritizing. Second, lying about why you can't go. Telling them you have a family thing and then getting caught at home in pajamas? Just own it. Third, ghosting your friends instead of saying no. Avoiding the conversation makes things way worse. Just be upfront. It saves you stress. Okay, now let's see some money ninja tips. The first one we can call the strategic splurge. If you say no to 90% of pricey invites, but yes to one big event every now and then, it changes everything. You'll enjoy it more, your friends won't think you're always MIA, and you stay in control of your budget. Example.
We're doing a fancy dinner on Saturday.
Pass on this one, but count me in for that concert next month.
Now you're someone who chooses when to spend, instead of always saying no. Final survival hack. Confidence is contagious. Owning your situation is what makes it not awkward. You're not less for having a budget. You're just someone who knows what truly matters. And honestly, that's magnetic as a conclusion. So, basically, social engagements on a budget requires creativity and openness. By suggesting alternatives, being honest, and seeking out affordable options, you can maintain an active social life without financial strain. Remember, genuine friendships value time spent together over the amount spent. If you found these tips helpful, check out our channel's series on surviving embarrassing money moments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest stories and advice. Thanks for watching.